5?
Oh, just kidding. V1.
That's
V1.
That's
That's
red.
red.
Okay.
Get
You're smart.
Off my
Me too, it's
screen,
yellow.
god damn
Yellow.
it.
I haven't read the book yet.
V3 is green.
Don't move.
Don't move, sir.
You're gonna cause artifact.
You're already.
He's already gonna cause artifacts.
Yes, you have enough.
Yeah.
Oh, ow.
Oh.
Wax.
Next time.
Next time.
Yeah, Russian guy got it.
Oh no, it's not one. Give him another one.
We really don't need that one anyway.
Before.
Put the white
Right.
alcohol.
Here, doctor, here's a new one. There's that one. You want a new one?
Which one?
A new electrode.
Alright, that might be what's wrong.
Look at David. He look like
You
he
want
getting
alcohol?
worked
Here.
on.
You want to clean it? Okay, here's alcohol.
Operation. Yeah, yes, I love that game. David looks like the guy too.
Scrubs or something.
Okay, so we almost done.
No, I just want to touch David.
We're almost done, and you need to be sure that everything like sticky. And after that, you go with the machine portion.
That's the machine
We
over
have
there.
here for the machine.
It's good.
It's good.
It's very sensitive to
Okay,
electrical.
would you please come?
Hold on.
That one's
No,
coming off.
doctor, it's just coming out.
They're not staying on. They're not properly attached.
Power.
Oh, it was already open?
I don't think that's gonna help. I think the hair is the problem. That's why they shave it.
Okay,
They're not sticky. I mean, I was
Hair.
I got a little.
like peach fuzz.
It wasn't a
I don't know, y'all. I ain't Hispanic. I'm just hella hairy.
that tall Russian guy? Let's see what we can find. Move the hair.
This girl used to have hair around her nipples.
so when you start to press here,
Y'all nasty.
Trim the shit.
press on new patient.
Hold on, hold on.
Hold on, let me pull it.
Yeah.
Oh, Danielle, can you get this?
Here.
She's. I'm like, you tall. You like all over. Thank you. You see me? It's kind of long, so.
I know, I might not see. I might have to just watch it.
Just put it live on Facebook.
Poor David.
What did you press?
So here we have like the new date and time. So for example, we need to put like today is 03 and the date is 26, okay, and it is like 2018, okay, and the time is like 3 p.m. for example, okay. For example, okay. So we add like this is what we call screening of the patient. we have to put like the time of performance of the test and the patient name and the age and the height. Everything will be like such case. Okay, if we press over EKG here and we press enter after we done, so new date time is okay, enter, and the patient is like ID. All patients, they have already ID, so we can put the ID later on. Okay, here new patient, yes, so press over 4, yes. Patient name is like David, okay, and enter, and first name is Cox, for example, enter, and the ID is like 1, 2, 2, whatever, 4, whatever, okay, enter, and operation code is like 023 or 00, it's okay, and the age is like 40, and the height is like 5, and weight is like 158 pounds, and 6 is male, and that's it. Race is like American.
You just make up as you go about the patient?
It's okay. Okay, medication, if the patient is receiving medication or whatever. Now, you notice that the machine start to record his rate. Don't move, please.
Oh, it's not.
Okay, attach by sticker. Attach by sticker.
Yeah.
Tape.
New sticker. Not expired.
Oh, that's what it is.
Nothing.
Rapido.
No, attach the electrode first to the skin.
To the skin.
And tape it down.
Okay.
Do it yourself. EKG.
Okay. Don't make it like no.
Okay, it's fine,
Don't
it's
make
fine.
it like overlapping. So you find that the machine here. Okay, stop. Relax. You see here that the machine is getting the rate. Getting the rate. Now the machine is analyzing the EKG.
Ooh, artifacts. A lot of artifacts.
Oh my god.
Yes, because it is moving and you are touching it. We will repeat it.
What the heck is that?
Home is calling.
Don't move, don't touch him.
You want it?
Don't touch him. Only doctor touch him.
Okay. It's just most important.
As you see, the heart rate is 65, 66. You see?
Yes.
Okay.
69, 78.
Don't breathe. Just kidding. Ooh. What's that? There's a
He's
drum.
dead. No, I'm just kidding.
So you notice that so far he stopped movement and no one touched him. So we had perfect one. Okay. We will print. Don't move, please. Okay. And even don't smile. Okay.
I will hold it.
Big.
They just want to be. I'm trying to learn.